Good morning and welcome to the Sunday, May 12th, Mother's Day version of our planning briefing from here in Missoula, Montana. Looking at our key points, we are going to slightly cool this week from what was the warmest temperatures of this season so far. Breezing conditions throughout this week and mountain showers, but the valleys will be slightly different, a mix of sun, clouds, and showers, and we'll get into that in more depth. Looking at the satellite, you can see this cold front that'll come through here Monday, and then this weak wave out here will slide in behind it. This will kind of show you a little bit better. I always love seeing how satellite will evolve. So this cold front will slide southeast over us. Not a lot to do with this. Temperatures won't change too much. There'll be a little bit of a wind shift and an increase in winds, but it's going to be this weak wave that's going to slide around this high pressure down here. It'll slide around in behind that cold front, and it'll spark off a couple showers Tuesday morning. Eventually, this high pressure is going to expand over the North Pacific, and that's what will influence what's going to happen the rest of this week. If you were out this morning in northwest Montana, a little bit of smoke. This is a web camera from Lake McDonald, and you can see some smoke is coming across from east of the divide. This is all from holdover fires in British Columbia. So these were the fires that burned all last summer, and as the snow melted, they sparked off again this spring. So that's a little bit of smoke from that. So looking at our threat matrix, wind for everyone on Monday as that cold front goes through, and then thunderstorms potentially isolated in northwest Montana and southwest Montana. There'll be elevated convection, so that's the type of maybe a little bit of wind out of them in southwest Montana. And then thunderstorms basically south of I-90 and eastward. Wednesday shouldn't be too bad. Wind picks up on Thursday, and we'll see that better, and then wind on Friday. So our regional temperature trend, this will be one of the warmest days yet this season, and then you can see it slightly cools. And like I said, that high pressure is going to build over the North Pacific, and it warms back up. So this is about, we'll say, 5 to 6 degrees above normal for this time of year, and then you see that slight cooling trend again. Looking at the regional precipitation trend, Tuesday is when this weak wave comes in behind the cold front, and you can see that's our best chance for some precipitation. But then throughout the rest of the week, we have that slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Once again, this is just a few point locations. You can pause the video to look if you want to see the numbers. But Tuesday is the best chance with that wave. And then we continue to have chances for showers throughout the week. Looking at our RH trend, it's going to follow our temperature trend. You'll see how the RHs slightly increase and then decrease as we warm up towards the end of the week, and then they'll increase on the weekend. Once again, you can pause this slide to look at specific point locations if you want. The wind trend. We'll have the increase in winds tomorrow with the cold front, and then you can see the winds trend up towards the end of the week again. And once again, down below, you can pause it and look at that trend. All right, so looking at some cluster analysis, what's going to happen? You can see this black line here. I chose the height of 5580, which is irrelevant to you, but just remember, these reds here are higher heights in the atmosphere, and these blues are colder heights, or lower, okay? And lower means colder, higher means, the reds means warmer. So you can see about 60% by the end of this week are pushing for cooler and wetter, while as 40% of the models are calling for the continued warm, meaning that ridge over the North Pacific, and drier, but not completely dry, okay? And that's kind of backed up in the 6 to 10 day outlook, near normal temperatures throughout through the 21st, with near normal to just slightly above normal precipitation in that same time period. All right, thank you for attending. Our next brief will be this Thursday on May 16th. Hope everyone has a wonderful Mother's Day.